Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 100% CPU usage on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to disable startup programs. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps. In here you just need to disable unnecessary programs by right click on them and select disable it. I recommend to disable Steam, Epic Games Launcher, EA Launcher, Battle.net, BlueStack services, and Xbox and Microsoft Edge. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to update web drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to adjust the power settings. To do this, go to search menu and type choose a power plan, click on open it. You just need to expand this show additional plans and select the high performance guys. After selecting it, just to close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to disable SYS main service. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Find SYS main service, just double click on it. Startup type, set this to disabled and select stop. Select apply and OK. Now you just need to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to check for Windows update. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates, click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to optimize the system settings. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance, select settings. In here, you just need to select adjust for best performance and select apply option. And after that, go to advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage packing file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the C drive and select a custom size. Now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for these installation values and maximum size value. Just to copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM, so I am copying the value. Installer size and the maximum size, same thing. Paste it and select the set option. Now the value should be set under packing file size. Select the OK option, select apply and OK. Select the OK option and select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.